How does a voice call get created and how to set it up. So you can go to app launcher and search for voice call, which is a standard object. You'll see this page. I just tested by making a call, so I'm gonna make another call for you to see how it actually looks. So if in case that you have a different like Google Voice account or like any other third party systems, you can dial from that number because like we claimed a US account. Or you can go to your contact center, you can see the contact center panel, and then you can try to dial in a number and then see if it works. So the moment whenever a new call comes in, you can see a voice call record gets created. I'm dialing in, so you can see that a voice call got created here and it is an SEV basic queue. So I'm gonna go available for voice, and you can see that I'm receiving a call right now. And I've accepted the call. And let's say if I have to mute, I can click on mute here, or I can mute here as well. And if in case that quick connects are added, I have visibility to quick connects, I can find the users here and then like have a conference call. And Service Cloud Voice comes with a limitation that you can have only 3 participants at a time, meaning 2 agents and 1 customer at a time here. And I'm gonna end the call for now, and there are like few things that I wanted to add and other features. So let's see here. So on the setup icon, if you're on an actual detail page, meaning like I'm able to see the details of this particular record, in this case like this is voice call record, and if I have to like see in like other features, I can click on this setup icon as an admin and click on like edit page. So this will take me to a app builder page where I can customize how my look and feel can be customized. So I went into voice call record page where I need to see few other information. So I'm gonna add conversation. When you type in conversation, you'll see enhance conversation, and I'm gonna drag and drop to the leftmost corner. And I'm gonna add an after conversation walk as well, and I'm gonna save. One other thing that I wanted to check is the voice call recording, which is already there, and when this pop-up comes, you can just set it as available for default and leave it. And this is the recording player that I wanted to look at as well. So I've added the conversation, after conversation work, and then the call recording player. I'm gonna hit save. This is a save. I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna refresh the whole screen again. And you can see that it went offline and came online. This is where like you might struggle with your status sync issue. Let me check if it is available or not, because like as per the best practice, you're not supposed to like duplicate your tab or like refresh your screen while you're on call, because like it will end the call. But let's see. Yeah, it works. Like there was a refresh that happened like 28 seconds ago, and that's why. Now if I go into my voice call detail page, you can see that the transcription is something that was supposed to come in, but you can see the call started and ended. But transcription takes in like some time to load because there is a post call analysis that happens. So that is something expected. Let's try one other time. I'm gonna make another call. I'm already available, so as soon as IVR gets routed, I should be able to get the call. Let's see that live. So I can see it automatically navigates to new, and I'm gonna accept the call. And you can see the transcription should be available. It takes some time to load in, but let's wait and see. Yeah, you can see the real-time transcription is also available. So I'm talking as an agent right now. I'm gonna mute myself. I'm gonna talk in as customer. Hey there, how are you? So you can see that the conversation goes between like two different users, and you can see that as a real-time conversation as well. And I can end the call, and manually I can type in the call resolution. These are like standard fields. There are also AI capabilities to like do a summary of this that is available with add-on licenses, but you can see like the conversation is visible. But if I close this and open up the call again, I might not see the conversation for like next few minutes, because there is a post call analysis that happens that is expected. You might not be able to see it. Let's look at the voice call too. You can see that the transcription and also the player comes in here by default as well. So this is the additional capability when you use Service Cloud Voice, because this was not available with CDI, where you can't see the real-time transcription, and once the call is ended, you can't like see the recording here with native Salesforce. And this kind of enables you to track any of the information, like when was the call started, when it entered the queue, when was the call ended. And if there are like any other metrics, so let's say like if I want to look at the same voice call in AWS, how do I check is that? Let's see if that field is added. So there are like bunch of fields that comes by default. If in case that you want to add, you can click on setup, and there is something called object manager where you manage your object. This is a standard object called voice call, so I'm going to type in voice call. And there is something called page layouts, and you can see what are all the fields are there in page layout. So you can see that these are the informations are there. And if in case that you want to add other things, I'm going to add call origin, and I'll add a field called vendor call key, and I'll hit on save. So this page layout is assigned here, and when I refresh my screen, I can actually see that the call origin and vendor call key values are here. So you can see the vendor call key value. So this is the Amazon ID. So if I switch to Amazon Connect, analytics and optimization, I can see contact search. And you can see all the contact ID populating here. So you can either do a search or you can add a filter on contact ID with this value. You should be able to find the relevant contact ID as well. So during the process, if there are like any other attributes, you can see on attributes where you can have the voice call ID as well. So this voice call is the unique ID in Salesforce to track, and your CTR ID is your unique ID in AWS. So that's where like it is mapped between like two systems. Hope this was helpful. We'll look into other things in the upcoming videos. Thank you.